In the lower versions of Microsoft Word, such as Word 2003 and below, we used to have the standard toolbar. But this toolbar disappeared in Word 2007, which was the first Word version that introduced the ribbon. Now, instead of the standard toolbar, the quick access toolbar was introduced. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the quick access toolbar, looking at how to locate the toolbar and how to customize the toolbar. The quick access toolbar usually contains some of the commands that are found in the file menu, such as the new, open, save, etc. and some of the commands not found in any of the tabs, such as the undo, redo, quick print, automatically save, email. You can also add some other commands to the quick access toolbar. The important is that it helps you to execute some commands very fast. To locate the quick access toolbar, you can move it from the default location, which is at the top of the ribbon or in the title bar. You can move it down to below the ribbon by clicking on the More Options downward arrow here and selecting Show Below Ribbon. Now the quick access toolbar shows below ribbon. Then to select what appears in the quick access toolbar, you simply click here and select any of the items you want to show on the quick access toolbar. Anyone that is selected will appear. Anyone that is deselected will disappear. So it makes it easy for you to use a command by simply selecting any of the commands you feel you are using often and let it appear in the quick access toolbar. And you can also decide where you want the quick access toolbar to appear on your Word document window. Customizing the quick access toolbar means determining or deciding what will show on your quick access toolbar. In order to do that, you have to go to the quick access toolbar, click on the drop down arrow to display the quick access, to display the items containing the quick access toolbar. Now, if there is any item that you want in the quick access toolbar that is not in the list, that is not here, you can click on More Commands. When you select More Commands, the Word Options dialog box will appear, displaying the quick access toolbar tab. Here you can choose the most popular commands, all commands, or any of the commands that you want. Then from the left pane, you will select the particular command you want to appear in your quick access toolbar. For example, I select the popular commands. If you want autosave, that's already selected. If you want to add align, you select it and click add, it will enter. If you want cuts, you just select and click add, it will enter. If you want editor, you select it, click add, it will enter. Any of the commands you actually want, you click on it and click add button, it will enter in the quick access list. Then you can click OK. When you come down to your quick access list, you will see some of the commands that you selected on display. Now, if you do not want any of the commands, you simply click on that particular command and select remove. Click on that command and select remove. Then you can click OK again. And you notice that the commands that you do not want have been deselected and removed from your quick access toolbar. Now, by so doing, you can be able to determine which of the commands you want in your quick access toolbar and the ones you do not want. I believe that you understood clearly how to use Microsoft Word as a beginner. We started this lesson with an introduction, moving you how to open Microsoft Word, looking at the Microsoft Word window, the editing, the ribbon, and now the quick access toolbar. Please, if you have any question or comments, please use the comment box. And do not forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.